Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the chief constituent of air in Earth's atmosphere? Is it A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Phosphorus, or D. Hydrogen? The answer is A. Nitrogen.
Nitrogen, making up about 78% of Earth's atmosphere, is a silent hero. Despite its abundance, it remains largely inert and non-reactive under normal conditions. This stability allows life to thrive by preventing spontaneous combustion and maintaining a balanced environment for oxygen-dependent organisms without overwhelming them with reactive gases.
Question 2. What type of camel has two humps? Is it A. Alpine, B. Bactrian, C. Bolo, or D. Dromedary? The answer is B. Bactrian.
Bactrian camels, native to the steppes of Central Asia, are known for their two humps, which store fat, not water. These resilient creatures can endure extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit in winter to 100 degrees Fahrenheit in summer. Remarkably, they can drink up to 30 gallons of water in just 13 minutes.
Question 3. What is the word for a young shark? Is it A. tadpole, B. a pup, C. a calf, or D. a codling? The answer is B. a pup.
A young shark is called a pup, and these little predators are born ready to fend for themselves. Depending on the species, shark pups can be born live, hatch from eggs, or even develop inside their mother's body before being released into the ocean to start their aquatic adventures.
Question 4. Which dinosaur was the largest carnivore? Is it A. Tyrannosaurus rex, B. Allosaurus, C. Giganotosaurus, or D. Spinosaurus? The answer is D. Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus, the largest known carnivorous dinosaur, roamed Earth around 100 million years ago. Unlike its famous cousin T-Rex, Spinosaurus was semi-aquatic with a crocodile-like snout and conical teeth perfect for catching fish. Its distinctive sail-like spine may have been used for display or thermoregulation, adding to its prehistoric mystique.
Question 5. Name the largest planet in the solar system. Is it A. Neptune, B. Venus, C. Saturn, or D. Jupiter? The answer is D. Jupiter.
Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is so massive that it could fit all the other planets inside it and still have room to spare. Its Great Red Spot, a colossal storm larger than Earth itself, has been raging for at least 350 years. Jupiter truly reigns supreme.
Question 6. Which planet is third in mass and eighth from the Sun? Is it A. Uranus, B. Saturn, C. Neptune, or D. Venus? The answer is C. Neptune.
Neptune, the eighth planet from the Sun, is a captivating ice giant with winds reaching up to 1,200 miles per hour, the fastest in our solar system. Despite being third in mass after Jupiter and Saturn, Neptune's vibrant blue hue comes from methane in its atmosphere absorbing red light and reflecting blue.
Question 7. What do we call the boundary that separates two masses of air of different densities? Is it A. Air fringe, B. Rain wall, C. Weather front, or D. Climate edge? The answer is C. Weather front.
A weather front is like nature's invisible line dance, where two air masses meet and clash. This atmospheric boundary can lead to dramatic weather changes, from serene blue skies to tempestuous storms. The term front was coined during World War I, drawing a parallel between battlefronts and the dynamic skirmishes of the skies.
Question 8. Which of these planets has the most moons? Is it A. Neptune, B. Jupiter, C. Mars, or D. Earth? The answer is B. Jupiter.
Jupiter, the gas giant, boasts a staggering 95 moons, each with its own unique story. Among them is Ganymede, the largest moon in our solar system, even bigger than Mercury. These celestial companions create a dazzling dance around Jupiter, making it a captivating spectacle for astronomers and stargazers alike.
Question 9. What is the name of the second largest planet in our solar system? Is it A. Uranus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, or D. Saturn? The answer is D. Saturn.
Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system, is famous for its stunning rings made mostly of ice particles. If you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float. This gas giant's density is so low that it's less than water, making it a celestial marvel of buoyancy.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope today's quiz was a matter of fun and sparked your curiosity. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our universe. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.